Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeanne, I'm a yoga teacher, and today's video is a chakra sequence from root to crown, special standing. That's why the super wide shot. I'm not used to shooting that wide. I hope you can still hear me well and see me well and everything. We are going to start right away. You know, I don't like to chit-chat too much. And we start with mountain. So mountain is samastiti in Sanskrit. Big toes together, but the heels slightly apart. So you leave a little gap here. And at the same time, you squeeze the glutes, like if there is a leaf of paper here, you hold it very tightly, you know. You squeeze, and mountain pose means that even if a bird comes or a rock hits you, you don't move. So this is the idea. So yeah, this is medium intermediate level, according to my standards. Make sure that you squeeze the pelvic floor. This is the first chakra we activate, the root one. Visualize red color if it helps you. You can close your eyes and bring your gaze internally down into the pelvic area. Palms facing slightly forward to grab the energy, but also to make sure that you're strong and tall. Good. Release. Second posture is going to be goddess to activate sacral chakra, which is below the navel. So open the feet quite wide, toes out, and bend the knees. So the knees are above the ankles. If they are beyond, it means that you should separate your feet even more. Tilt your pelvis, so tailbone down, navel up, and open your arms into a cactus shape. Lengthen your arms, your neck, shoulders are long, stretched out, and you stay there. And you focus on that point here, and you visualize orange. Breathe through it. And release. Next, we do solar plexus, which is below the sternum. So it's about the stomach area. And we're going to do standing twists. So a twist is when hips and shoulders are perpendicular and not parallel anymore. But if I do this, most people go like that. And they say like, look, how far I twist. No. So let's do another way. Arms like earlier, and we twist one knee at a time. And you try to look as far as you can. It's a bit dynamic, so don't go too fast if you don't want to sweat, if you don't want to see stars and everything. Make sure you breathe. On the exhale, you twist. Go further. And focus on that solar plexus yellow. Good. Relax, breathe. Next is backbend for the heart chakra area. So you know where your heart is, probably. Feet as wide as your hips, slightly wider so you have a good stance and you're stable enough. And then we're going to start with the hands here on the top of your bum, elbows together, lengthen your spine, and you tilt back. If this is possible, available, easy, great. Shoulders behind, open your chest, and have this heart chakra opening. If it's too easy, if you want a bit harder, what you can do is arms up and tilt back. Always lengthen your spine before you arch back. So like this, and open the heart, so you keep the arms along the ears. Good. Yes. That was heart chakra, green color. Then we have cow face arms. So usually cow face is being done seated, but we're just gonna do the arms, okay? So you need to cross your arms higher than your elbows, okay? If you cross here, it's not gonna work. One good tip I was told is catch your shoulder blades behind, and then from there, you try to grab your arms like this. Okay, my arms are more or less 90 degrees, okay? They are not like that, not like that either. What we do is we take the elbows away from the shoulders, and then the shoulders away from the ears. And that, my friend, is stretching your whole trapezius muscle, your back, your neck, your shoulders. It's very intense, and you can visualize your throat. And you release any tension. You may want to say to yourself that you are going to speak your truth. And slowly you let go. Relax, breathe. And then the other side. So you crossed one way, now you cross the other way. Same, you can catch your shoulder blades to help you. And then hands up. 90 degrees. Try not to arch your back too much, okay? Keep the spine in its integrity. Shoulders away from the ears and elbows away from the shoulders. This is magnificent, right? So green, throat, breath, face relaxed, the whole thing. Breathe. Light blue. And slowly let go. Okay. For the throat, I'm going to move the microphone. Okay, we're gonna do a fold forward. Okay, so inhale, lengthen your back, and then chin to chest, and then you roll down one vertebra at a time. Arms are heavy, head is heavy, and you try to focus on that third eye in between your eyebrows. Like looking behind, looking within. If your hands are touching the floor, you can catch your elbows. Very good. Let go of your elbows. That was indigo color. And roll back up slowly, one vertebra at a time. And roll the shoulders away. Good. How do you feel? Well, last one is going to be tree pose. So you pick one leg. I'm going to pick the right foot down first, spreading my toes, making sure that the leg is like a very strong trunk, right? And I place the left foot inside like this, and I press. If it's not available, just place it here on on your calf. Avoid the knee area, okay? Because you really need to press, so you don't want to damage your knee. Press your hands against each other. This, and this is a beautiful tree. And you imagine that the top of the tree is being pulled up towards the sky. And you can even let the branches flow. Good. And you let go. In control. Let's change sides. So this time left foot, spread the feet, spread the toes, place the foot inside this. Okay. Oh, this one is sliding, so I can't put it as high. Make sure the tailbone is down, open the knee, and focus on that crown chakra, right? It's purple. And you press the foot into the calf. Feel free to move your arms like branches in the wind. Don't look at me because I move. And be creative. You don't need to copy what I do. Okay. Nice. Beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please put a thumb up. If you're curious to check out different chakra sequences like this, going from root to crown, feel free to check out this playlist. If you want to understand why I do it like this, check out the theory video about it. And make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the next video I'm going to publish every Wednesday. And on Mondays, I publish a short as well. All right, cheers. Have a great day.